Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix taskbar thumbnail preview not working in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click Taskband. Right-click New D-Word 32-bit value. Named as numbered thumbnails, N and T are capital letters. Change value data to 10 and base hexadecimal. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.